Welcome to Tokyo. List is the Tsukiji Outer Market. While the famous inner market has moved to Toyosu, the outer market remains a bustling hub for fresh seafood and culinary delights. Stroll through the market, sample various street foods, and enjoy some of the best sushi in Tokyo at prices that won't break the bank. Visit early in the morning to catch the freshest seafood and avoid the crowds. You might also find great deals on produce and snacks to fuel your Tokyo adventures. Many vendors offer free samples, so you can try a bit of everything before deciding on your favorites. Don't miss the tamagoyaki, Japanese omelette, stands, where you can enjoy a sweet and savory snack for just a few yen. Pair it with a cup of matcha for a traditional Japanese breakfast experience. Number 6. Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. Free city views. For stunning views of Tokyo without the hefty price tag, head to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building in Shinjuku, which takes the 6th spot on our list. The observation decks on the 45th floor are free to enter and offer panoramic views of the city, including landmarks like the Tokyo Tower, and on clear days, even Mount Fuji. The building was designed by architect Kenzo Tange and completed in 1991. It was the tallest building in Tokyo until 2007. Make sure to visit both the North and South observatories for different perspectives of the city. Check the weather forecast before you go to ensure clear skies for the best views. The observation decks also feature informative displays about Tokyo's landmarks, enhancing your sightseeing experience. Number 5. Yoyogi Park. Urban Retreat. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is Yoyogi Park. Located near the bustling district of Harajuku, This expansive park is a favorite among locals and tourists alike for picnics, jogging, and people watching. On weekends, you can often find groups practicing martial arts, musicians, and even cosplayers. Combine your visit with a trip to the nearby Meiji Shrine, a tranquil oasis nestled within the forested park grounds. Entry to both the park and the shrine is free, making it a perfect budget-friendly day out. Visit in autumn to enjoy the stunning fall foliage, or in spring for cherry blossoms. Yoyogi Park's vibrant atmosphere is especially enjoyable during these seasons, offering endless opportunities for beautiful photos and relaxation. Number 4. Harajuku. Fashion and fun. Coming in at number 4 is Harajuku, the epicenter of Tokyo's youth culture and fashion. Stroll down Takeshita Street, famous for its quirky shops, trendy boutiques, and colorful crepes. The area is perfect for window shopping and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere without spending much. Keep an eye out for unique street fashion, and maybe even spot some of the famous Harajuku girls. If you're a fan of vintage, head to the nearby second-hand shops in Omotsando for some great finds at affordable prices. Try the iconic Harajuku crepes, filled with everything from fresh fruit to ice cream. They are a delicious and affordable treat that perfectly captures the playful spirit of the area. Number 3. Akihabara, Electric Town. At number 3, we have Akihabara, the mecca for electronics and anime enthusiasts. Explore multi-story stores filled with gadgets, video games, and anime merchandise. Even if you're not buying, the sensory overload and vibrant energy of Akihabara are worth experiencing. Many stores offer tax-free shopping for tourists, so if you do decide to make a purchase, bring your passport. Don't forget to check out the arcades, where you can play a variety of games for just a few hundred yen. Visit the themed cafes, like maid cafes or anime-inspired eateries, for a unique dining experience that's both fun and affordable. Akihabara's dynamic atmosphere will leave you with unforgettable memories. Number 2. TeamLab Borderless, Digital Art Wonderland. Securing the second spot on our list is TeamLab Borderless in Odaiba. This immersive digital art museum offers a mind-blowing experience with its interactive, ever-changing exhibits. While the ticket price is a bit higher, it's well worth it for the unique and unforgettable experience. Allocate at least a few hours to fully explore and enjoy the exhibits. The museum's blend of art, technology, and creativity will leave you in awe and make for some incredible photo opportunities. Visit during off-peak hours to avoid the crowds and have more space to interact with the installations. The stunning visuals and interactive nature of the museum make it a highlight of any Tokyo trip. Number 1. Shibuya Crossing, iconic intersection. Topping our list at number 1 is Shibuya Crossing, arguably the most famous pedestrian crossing in the world. Watching the organized chaos as hundreds of people cross from all directions is a quintessential Tokyo experience. The best part, it's completely free. For the best view, head to the second floor of the Starbucks in the Tsutaida building or the Shibuya Scramble Square observation deck. Both spots offer prime vantage points to capture the dynamic energy of Shibuya Crossing. Visit at different times of the day to see how the atmosphere changes. From the bustling daytime rush to the vibrant nightlife, Shibuya's neon lights and giant video screens create an electrifying backdrop that's perfect for photos and videos. And there you have it, our top 10 budget-friendly experiences in Tokyo. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos. From bustling markets to tranquil parks, Tokyo offers a wealth of affordable adventures for every traveler. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of Tokyo without breaking the bank. Sayonara and happy travels.